Alright. So today is poverty meal prep. I don't remember which one I'm on. Sorry about that. I'm not sure of which one I'm on. So it's poverty meal prep. So this is gonna be a new, easy, simple way to do a poverty meal prep or to make your coffee. So right now, at this minute, I'm gonna be making a bulletproof coffee. For you guys that don't know what that is, I'm about to make it. So you're gonna know what it is. And put down in the comments below if you like bulletproof coffees or if this was very informational and you've learned something by my bulletproof coffee lesson. Okay, ready? Okay, so I'm going to be making the coffee into here, and this is a Keurig for you guys that don't know, or if you have one. This is Keurig. This is that's a really old coffee maker that I don't even use anymore, and that I'm probably not gonna ever use. So yeah. Anyways, back to this. I'm gonna make the coffee into here, and I'm not gonna put any sugar or anything into it like that. Just regular coffee. I'm gonna use the Neapolitan coffee. So focusing. Okay, I think that's all it's gonna focus. It's like trying to focus on my face. So I'm gonna use this coffee, and I'm gonna use 8 ounces of coffee into this cup right here. So let's do it. Throw that one away. So we're gonna do 8 ounces. So it says ready and how many ounces. So we're gonna push 8. See? And then we're gonna hit start, and then it's gonna start brewing. Then the coffee's gonna come out. Check that out. Okay, got the coconut oil. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of this into that coffee. Can you see? Check it out. Okay, I literally hate this thing. I'm tired of dicking with this. Whatever. On this butter right here, it tells you how many tablespoons, so you can cut like right there. That'll be that one. That's 100 calories, man. 30 seconds is all you need to melt butter, man. All you need, 30 seconds. This is go time. So if you want any merch, go to redbubble.com. That's where we go check it out.
It's broken.
Poverty meal prepping with the kids.
But this, mommy, I'll never hate.
Okay, so the coconut oil, it's really hard as a brick when you buy it. Sometimes you have to melt it. Well, this was sitting on top of the fridge. It's really extremely hot in my house, so it's already melted. So the one step I don't have to do is melt coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best. I love it. It's so good. You can also use coconut oil in your hair to make your hair soft, healthy.
I put on my finger and I rub in my hair.
Give it all the vitamins it needs.
I put in my hair.
Did you? Yeah, you can use it as a replacement vegetable oil recipe on your skin as lotion. You can also use coconut oil
only for girls.
You can also use coconut oil for eye makeup removal. You can use it for removing frizzy hair. So if you have frizzy hair, put some coconut oil in it and it'll help you. You can use it as a all-natural conditioner. So coconut oil is really used for a lot, and it's really healthy. It's probably like the best thing on the market right now, I think. I like coconut oil and I'll use it. And I probably start using coconut oil instead of olive oil. It just tastes better. 8 ounce cup, 8 ounces of coffee, 1 cup of coffee. I'll get better at this one day. God, I can't get this off. I'm weak. So here it is. You got your protein, you got your coffee. Oh yeah, that's to die for. That's good. That's so good. Okay, if you guys like this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you put that thumbs up and hit that notification bell to get more content when we post more videos. And make sure you subscribe to be part of our family. If you guys haven't checked out the YouTube channel, you have to check it out because we have hit 1,000 subscribers. Amazing, because we were like busting our asses to get 1,000 subscribers. Like, we were doing everything on social media, marketing. I even took a couple courses in college of marketing, advertising and marketing. That's what we'll be doing. If you guys don't know yet, we are dropping our merch here soon, so stay tuned for that. Love you lots. Hope you love this meal prep and catch you in the next one or next week. Love you lots. Bye. Peace out. Ching. So, what do you guys think of poverty meal prep? What do you think of it?
Love it.
You love it? Love it a lot?
I love it.
What do you tell them?
Thank you. Love it.
Do that out of the way.
Love it. Camera. Love
Say
it.
subscribe to Family Fit. Be part of our family.
Subscribe to